Hey there, viewers. Today we're locking into some fascinating research about curcumin that might change how you view this golden spice. Curcumin is currently one of the most studied supplements in scientific literature. While human research remains limited, the animal studies show promising results that might make fitness enthusiasts take notice. If these findings hold true, curcumin could be more than just an anti-inflammatory agent. Scientists often use an interesting method to study muscle growth. They put lab rats' legs in plaster casts, which causes muscle atrophy similar to what happens when humans don't use their muscles. After removing the cast, they observe how muscles recover. This process mimics what happens during inactivity, followed by training, making it useful for understanding muscle adaptation. In this particular study, researchers put male rats' hind legs in plaster for 8 days, then monitored their recovery for 10 days after cast removal. Half the rats received daily curcumin injections at 1 milligram per kilogram of body weight, while the others got a placebo. Trying to build muscle without compounds like curcumin might be like trying to put out a fire with a water gun. Potentially helpful, but not maximally effective. The results were eye-opening. During the immobilization period, curcumin showed no significant effect. However, during the recovery phase, the curcumin group experienced enhanced muscle growth. The researchers measured muscle circumference through scans of the calf muscles and found clear differences. This suggests curcumin isn't just preventing muscle loss, it's actively promoting muscle growth. What makes this finding particularly interesting is the mechanism. Curcumin didn't work through the typical pathways we associate with preventing muscle breakdown. While it did slightly inhibit an enzyme called chymotrypsin that cuts up proteins, this effect was too weak to prevent muscle loss during immobilization. Instead, curcumin boosted the production of a protein called XIAP during the recovery phase. XIAP is an anti-apoptotic protein, meaning it prevents cell death. This increase led to reduced activity of caspase-3, a suicide enzyme that contributes to muscle breakdown. Your muscles basically get a "don't die" message that's stronger than usual, kind of like having a bodyguard for your gains. The researchers concluded that curcumin increases muscle XIAP protein levels above normal during the reloading phase. This protein has been shown to restrict the apoptotic pathway in skeletal muscle during differentiation. In simpler terms, curcumin may improve muscle recovery and regeneration processes. For practical application, this suggests curcumin might be particularly beneficial during recovery periods after intense training, or when returning to exercise after a break. The dosage used in rats would translate to a relatively modest dose in humans, though optimal human dosages would need to be determined through clinical trials. It's worth noting that curcumin has poor bioavailability on its own. Taking it with black pepper extract or in specialized formulations can significantly increase absorption. Trying to benefit from plain curcumin powder is like trying to get wet standing near a swimming pool. Proximity alone isn't enough. This research adds to other interesting findings about curcumin, including its ability to inhibit conversion of amino acids into glucose and increasing glucose uptake in muscle cells. The compound appears to have multiple pathways through which it may benefit body composition and performance. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more evidence-based fitness and nutrition content. I'll see you next time with more science-backed insights to help optimize your health and performance.